Our program includes, we have a 4 days training program, and first 2 days we do theory. We teach them all the detail of safe lifting operation, and then on the third day, and then we do practical. What are the things that need to ensure before doing lifting operation at workplace and to prevent accidents, and also our practical that we use to teach them the slinging method and the rigging method. What are the things that need to observe doing safe lifting operation. Our program combines of 3 things, that we do the theory, classroom group discussion, plus hands-on practice of lifting plan.